One of the main advantages of Schoology is the ability to access both Google Drive and OneDrive resources, which are both commonly used cloud computing drives. In our sample course here, we're going to make sure that we have the resources available for both the OneDrive and Google Drive. So up in the Resources button at the top, next to Groups and Courses, we're going to see a list of different resources. On the left side, you're going to see a button called Apps at the bottom. In this particular situation, we already have the Google Drive Resource app and the OneDrive Resource app installed. If you have those, then you're good to go. You can access both your Google Drive, of course you'd have to log into it, and you can access your OneDrive Resource app. Again, these are both one-time logins. If you don't have those two resource apps, here's how you get them. Go up here to the toolbar on the far right on the top. The little four-square button is the App Center. Click on the App Center, and then once the App Center loads, you're going to see tons of different apps that are available for download. If you scroll down, you're going to find the Google Drive Resource app here. A little bit further down, you'll see the OneDrive Resource app. These are already installed, but we'll show you the process anyway. Google Drive Resource app. Click on that to install. You install the Resource app. It's going to ask you to consent to this agreement. Say, I agree. Add it to your resources and install. And you can return to the App Center. And you can do the exact same thing with the OneDrive Resource app. So instructors are very likely throughout the semester to give you either a OneDrive or a Google Drive assignment. It just depends on the instructor and what they'd like to use. But you need to have those resources loaded up in your apps, or I should say your apps loaded up in your resources, so that you can easily have access to either kind of file.